So hi there. In the video today I'd like to talk a little bit short about this new speaker of Sony. So the XG300, and I have a few things to say about the speaker. First off, I will talk about audio, and normally Sony speakers always have been very average, not the best, but this one surprised me a little bit, but it still has a few issues of the previous Sony speakers. So audio quality wise, it's fine. It's not really bad, but the bass is still really a Sony problem. It somehow disappears when you put it really on high volume. And you do have a mega bass mode, but this mega bass mode doesn't really like boost the low end bass, but it still is like boosting a little bit more of the mid tunes of a mid bass. It does do a little bit more on the lower side, but still, if you put it on high volume, it flats out a little bit. But I do think that this one is a lot more better than XG500. It's also pretty heavy. Like the XG500, I remember that it was like very lightweight and not really like feeling like a speaker. This one, the build quality is fine. It's not really like, I would say, above JBL or anything, but it's similar. And this handle, this way of designing this handle is really great. It's really cool. And it does give the speaker a little bit of portability. This was just like a first try. I will also do some comparison with the Mifa Wildbox, the Soundcore Motion Boom. And I will also do it just for fun to the Xiaomi Bomber, so the big speaker, and also do maybe the Tri-Bit and the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. I still have those also around. I don't have an Extreme 3, but if you want to know how I think about this audio first Extreme 3, the JBL will still win a little bit, I think, but this one is an alright performer. I do think that the price is justifying. The packaging is maybe a little bit like simple, but it has to do with recycled material. It's all like cotton. There's only a little bit of plastic material. Really great of Sony to even attempt it. I do think that like this kind of sticker stuff is a little bit like, yeah, not necessarily in my opinion. But yeah, this was the first testing, and let's do some more in the next videos. Bye bye.